Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Hi, welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's 12:45. The market is a little bit more negative than this morning. What's happened? It's around 12 at 12 o'clock. I don't know who published it. We saw it on CNBC, but the meeting between Trump and Xi to sign the Phase 1 deal could be postponed in December because they cannot find a location where both agree on it. What I understand, what I read just before the show, it's that Xi is in Brazil next week, but it's too soon to sign the agreement. And Xi doesn't want to sign it in the U.S. because of the mistrust. Probably that it's the same thing for the U.S. They don't want to sign it in China. So they will need to find some neutral zone to sign the document. If it's just about signing the document, I don't think it will affect the market really. But if it's postponed, both sides just have more chance to find a way to let the deal collapse. I don't think it will happen, honestly. If you want my advice is that it will be signed. I think that both countries need it. I think that the Republican, the Trump administration need it. So they will find a solution. They will find a place for both agree. But it just add a little bit of nervosity on the market. So the market dropped down at the low on the Dow, make a new low on NASDAQ. Same thing for the SPY. Now it's stabilizing since when you look at the resource, the old accelerate on the downside on the publication of the reports because it's simple. If they don't sign it, if something bad happens, it will just affect the world growth. Affecting world growth, it's affecting the oil demand. So oil was down. It was already down at 12.35 just after the oil inventory, but it just accelerate when they publish it. And the gold push, and now it's deflating. So I think that at the end, nothing will change. And just a news that the market react rapidly on it. So we don't have a lot of movement today. It's very, very quiet on the market. Look at all of our markets, completely neutral. TSX is still the strongest one. Today, it's all about the finance sector. We had a couple of breakout. We had CWB yesterday. We have Bank Laurentian today. Home Capital is very strong. Sun Life was in breakout yesterday, continue today. ATAC is in breakout today. Industrial Alliance Group is accelerating today, insurance stock are strong. CWB was in breakout yesterday around 34, is at 34.87. Laurentian Bank was in breakout today also. So this is the financial sector. This is the most interesting one. We had a rebound in the gold. We have two breakout, and the Gulf is ASR and we have TXG. So both are the two strongest sector stock in the sector, but is going down right now, and the sector is still neutral. TXG was also flat. Next entry point will be at 2045, 2050. WDO also is pushing on the new high, but I prefer the first two. The rest, it's there's not a lot of movement in the rest of the stock. Mining after 2 or 3 days back at the top, correction. So tech did not continue its breakout. London market, same thing. First Quantum, there was a profit to take yesterday. Now is in correction. So just don't hesitate. I will close at the price you paid. If you bought at 12, I will close around 12. Maximum probably. I don't want to go too much lower than the $12. The rest, it's not moving a lot. Altius Mineral is in a rebound. Energy is in a rebound. So USO lose the last 2 days. Gas yesterday, and energy for the moment the breakout did not continue 1 day, and now it's correction. So same thing here. If you're going back to the price you paid, you should probably just close the position. Say it's the market is on an all-time top, but it need the US-China trade deal to move on, and I think I just think that it's a wait and see right now. So that's it. I will go to an ad, and I hope I will have a couple of questions after that.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
So I don't have a lot to tell you, honestly. So we could look at a couple of stock that we had in the day trading at 10:30. That we could look at it. Air Canada was in breakout in Canada. It's flat since. Still looking for 48.50 for a new push. It's a new all-time high, so it could be interesting. Home Capital is nice since the beginning of the day. We could look at the stock in the 3 minutes. So the best entry point was at 29.15. I probably one at 28.40 also, and the next one will be at 29.85. And swing trading, or if you decide to keep it, the target will be around, I think it could be 32.50. Yeah, it's a 30. This is 33. This is between 31.60 and 33.60. It's called stop. So there's a lot of. So there's another $2 of room. We had ISI in Canada, and we had a couple of Nasdaq stock. Wi-Fi could make a new push around 14.25. CENX is flat right now. CSOR, I think, just break out. Yeah, last time we break out, it was at 12.15. Next time, 2 point will be at 3.33. And the rest have deflate. So this is it. Have a nice afternoon. See you next Wednesday for the Swing Trading Show. And for the Guru customer, see you at 3:30 for an update.